Hello, I'm Kenneth Shifa, a third year computer programming and analysis student at George Brown College. Welcome to my portfolio of COM 3078 project. I will quickly walk you through the site. My portfolio uses card style navigation with three main sections: about, portfolio, and contact. On the home page, you can see my name and tagline and buttons to view my projects as well as contact me. Then we have the About Me section where it shows my photo, background, diploma work, experience at Cloud Coder, Thrive Education, Barong, and languages that I speak. Next, we have my resume that highlights skills, education, work history, and projects. And then you can click here to download the PDF. Then we have my cover letter, which is a generate template for a full stack or a software developer role tailored per application. Next, we have philosophy and career goal, which focuses on bridging ideas and implementation and contributing to meaningful project. My credentials include certificates and degrees, volunteering and involvement, and academic records. Then I have core competencies and technical skills. Here I've highlighted Java, Python, C Sharp, JavaScript, SQL, Django, Git, REST APIs, and more with interactive code snippets. The portfolio showcases features, academic projects, including my the, Capstone, and Excel, a Django-based invite-only loyalty platform, which is a full project write-up and image carousel of dashboards and flow. Let's take a look at this. Here we have the project summary, vision, what the project does, a little about the business requirement, the core business features, tech stack, architecture highlights, project plans in different phases, the requirements and analysis and design, wireframe and mockups, which you can view, the status report, system implementation, and a little bit about the verification. Let's return back here. Next, we have some other projects lined up. Then let's get to my education and academic development. Education uses a timeline for George Brown and Scholastica, O levels and A levels. Professional summary shows work experience, community service, awards, trends, and language. Then we have professional summary, which shows professional experience, work samples, community service, volunteering works, and award and recognition. And a little about my core strengths and the languages I speak. So, at the very end, you can get in touch with me by sending a message, email, or with the name, and it contains my where I'm based in, my email address, as well as some social media links to connect. So yeah, my portfolio is built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with the Dusty Rose theme, fully responsive for desktop and mobile. And thank you so much for watching again.